It's pretty crazy. Driving home in the storm, the worst part of it, going down Shreve Mill Road, and the wind was blowing about 50 miles an hour. I thought a tree might fall on me. Going down Evergreen Mills right now, and had branches down in the road. Actually, I had to go in the opposite lane, going about 25 miles an hour, just following the flashers of the car in front of me. This is insanity. I don't even know where my road is. It's crazy. Whoa, there's lightning. Following the truck in front of me. Wow. Still wind gusts up to 50 or 60. Trying to race the storm home on the toll road, but didn't make it. Wow.
500 feet. Take left. At Red Cedar Drive.
Wow, traffic's slowing down, almost to a stop. People are stopped alongside the road, waiting out the storm. I can't even see my exit.
At Red Cedar Drive.
Here it is right here. Sure nobody's coming. Here we go, making it into the neighborhood now. Wow.
In a quarter of a mile.
It's crazy. It's still blowing hard. Whoa.
500 feet. Take left.
This is bad.
Hagley Place.
Truck in front of me just went off the road. Here we go. They don't even know where they're going here. Driving the minivan. Now here's my road.
Take left. At Hagley Place.
Turning left here.
You are nearing your destination.
Getting close to home. Flooding through the road here, I bet. Wow, yup, water's just rushing down the road. Wow. Wow, we've got tons of water here.
Home at 41415 Hagley Place.
All right, pulling into home. Oh, I'm gonna back in so that I can get out of the car because I can't pull into the garage right now. All right, out.